Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 22, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Fourth row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Then only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column E, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row and sixth row, column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. Fifth row, we have 6 and 8. And fourth grid, also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. Column H, we have 1 and 5. 6th grid also we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell, it will be another 2 cells. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.